Hi everyone, welcome to the Electric Typewriter. My name is Amber, and today I'm going to give you a few practical tips and tricks for managing the photos on your phone. I know that every time I go on vacation, it seems like I'm always having to delete pictures just to be able to take a few pictures or videos. And especially when you're with family and friends, the least thing you want to do is to be scrolling through pictures saying, which picture do I want to delete? So I hope that these tips and tricks will give you some real practical, manageable ways to have more space on your phone to take pictures. To the video. A great strategy for managing your photos on the fly is to use albums. First, go to the Photos app and look for the albums icon. I'm going to scroll down and look through the albums, and you'll notice that I have a few albums that are really going to come in handy. For example, the Burst album is where you take a whole bunch of pictures all at once, and of course this is going to result in probably at least a few pictures that you're not going to want. So here I have a picture of Greta that I'm going to tap on, and you can see in the top left hand corner it says 5 photos. So this picture didn't really come out, and I'm going to go ahead and tap on the trash can and delete all 5 pictures. Next we'll head back to the albums, and I'm going to also look through for albums that are created by specific apps. One example here is Patternator. Patternator is a free app to create really cool patterns, and you can see this fun pattern that I created with a sloth, but I've got it on my computer now. So let's go ahead and delete it. If you're like me and you sometimes forget to back up your pictures, or you like to travel a lot and don't want to take a laptop and an external hard drive, Google Photos is an awesome free solution. So with Google Photos, you can back up all of your pictures on your phone from anywhere. This app is really simple to get started, and I'll show you the basics right now. First, hit Get Started and say OK to allowing the app to access your photos. Here you have 2 choices, Backup and Sync, and you sell your data to back up. I definitely recommend checking Backup and Sync because this means the app is going to do everything automatically. You won't have to do anything on your part. I do recommend, however, not enabling you sell your data to back up. For those of you with limited data plans, this is one way that you could go over very easily. Next, let's look at upload size. You have 2 options, high quality or original. For most users, high quality is absolutely what you need. With this option, you have unlimited storage, and the photos are still high quality enough to put them on Instagram, Facebook, to get prints. Whereas with original, you have to worry about a storage limit, and the photos are going to be pretty big. This screen will give you the option to be notified when your friends or family upload pictures, and I'll leave that option up to you. Here we have a few more slides with tutorial information. I'll use the check mark to get started. Alright, we're all set. Pretty easy, huh? And you'll see here all of my photos are now being backed up to the Google's cloud services, and I can access them from pretty much anywhere. A few software updates ago, Apple added a new album called Recently Deleted. This is a great option if you accidentally delete a photo. However, most of the time when we delete a picture, we want it gone. With this album, the pictures are going to stick around for 30 days until they're finally deleted, taking up space on your phone. So one thing we can do to be proactive about making sure we have enough space is go to the albums in your Photos app and look for the recently deleted album. Let's access the folder and see what we have inside. Alright, so you can see that we have quite a few pictures in here, and most of these have over 20 days before they're going to be deleted. If I click Delete All at the bottom left hand corner, I can go ahead and get rid of all the pictures, freeing up space for more photo. While browsing through your pictures, have you ever seen duplicates of a photo and wondered what happened? More than likely you have a feature called HDR turned on, and you've chosen to have the phone keep the original photo. What is HDR? It stands for High Dynamic Imaging, and basically what happens is your phone takes multiple shots of a picture and compiles them together to give you more detail in a picture. While this feature is very cool and will result in some detailed images, leaving normal and HDR photos on our phone can fill up our phone twice as fast. Let's take a look at how to turn this feature off. Alright, we're back in our home screen and we're going to go to Settings, scroll down almost to the bottom of the page, and tap on Photos and Camera. Once more, we're going to have to scroll a little bit, and we're going to look for Keep Normal Photo. Let's go ahead and turn this off, and we'll start saving a ton of space on our phone. My last tip regarding managing your photos is to find a really great photo editing app that has all-in-one features. There are so many awesome apps on the App Store for editing photos, but this is a really easy way to fill up your phone when you could be filling it up with pictures instead. So one of the apps that I really recommend is ViscoCam. Snapseed and Camera Plus are two other great options, and I just want to give you a little glimpse into what's possible with this application. So right now I'm applying some different filters. This app has hundreds of different filters that you can download, and once you've applied a filter, you can tap on the triangle at the bottom of the screen and have more editing options by clicking on those two lines, the second icon there. Once I'm in these editing features, you'll see that there's probably 20 or so different options that I can choose from. But what I really like is that there's things that are very simplistic, from changing the exposure to the contrast, to some really fun things like changing the shadow tints, as you can see here. Once you've edited your pictures with ViscoCam, they're really easy to share to social media like Instagram, to email, or to even share with their journal feature, and you can have kind of a mini e-portfolio with all of your pictures. Alright, well these are all the tips and tricks that I have for today. Be sure to hit the like button if these tips and tricks were useful to you, and I'd love to hear how you're managing the pictures on your phone, so leave a message in the comments below, and also tell me what types of videos that you'd like to see. I'll be posting a new video every week, and I'd love to hear what kind of things would be useful for you to learn about. Till next time!